benefit. It is a tale of two real estate markets. The Northeast under a lot of pressure for over a year, while Florida is posting really strong growth. The average sale price in Miami jumping 7% in the quarter. Single-family homes up 10%. That's according to a new report from Douglas Elliman and Miller Samuel this morning. Boca, Fort Lauderdale, Palm Beach, Wellington also posting solid sales. Now, with prices in Boca up 20%. Meanwhile, Manhattan just had its worst year since the financial crisis, and in Greenwich, Connecticut, prices just fell 19% in the fourth quarter. There is now a 2.5-year supply of luxury homes in Greenwich. Joining us to break it all down is Gil Dezer, the president of Dezer Development. The billionaire Dezer family owns 22 buildings in New York, and it just completed the Porsche Design Tower in Sunny Isles. That's a cool thing where you put your car in the elevator. And it is building its 11th building in Florida, the Armani Casa, nearby also in Sunny Isles. Gil, thanks for joining us. So the tax changes, what are you hearing from buyers coming from the Northeast to Florida about the impact of these tax changes?
Well, we've met with several buyers. I mean, New York has always been a tremendous feeder market for South Florida, especially Miami. And today there's kind of an incentive. I mean, you don't necessarily have to live in Florida the full 6 months, but you have to be there more than 4 or 5 months, something like that. And you get the benefit of some serious savings compared to living here in Manhattan. A business owner making $1 million a year will actually be saving enough money in taxes to support a $2 million mortgage on a condo in Miami. So that, gives people an idea to maybe relocate the family, better lifestyle, better weather, and so and that's really kind of what's driving sales right now.
Now you have 6 Trump buildings that you built in Sunny Isles. A lot of discussion here in New York where they took the Trump signage off the buildings. How are sales in your Trump buildings in Florida right now?
Well, we shouldn't forget that Florida was the swing state, and so there are a lot of Trump supporters there in Florida, as well as our market is geared towards South Americans as well, and the South Americans are tremendous Trump supporters. They love it, and so prices have sustained and continue to go up with the market in those buildings. And
not to get into a Russia thing, but Russians were big buyers in Sunny Isles in those buildings. Are they still buying? No, I'm not going there.
No, why not?
As a market.
He likes Russian dressing too. I mean, everything's pointing that way.
That's a Russian thing.
Everything's pointing that way.
The Russians from Russia are definitely a market that's quieted down because of all the sanctions and whatnot. But we still have the local New York Russians, the Brighton Beach Russians, if you will, that are definitely coming down and having their second homes.
Now, I want to ask you about Armani Tower because you've done 2 really now famous branded buildings. The Porsche Tower, which is Porsche designed. They kind of helped design it. Armani Tower, now, which the total sales in that building could be close to $1 billion. How does that work? Do you pay Armani? Is he designing the building? Is he designing the furniture? Like, how does that work?
So when we got together with the Armani team, he gave us his design team that designs all of his stores and hotels and those kind of places, and they're the ones designing all the common areas of the building. So the lobbies, spas, and the areas that the unit owners will enjoy are all designed by Giorgio Armani himself with his team. And the unit owners have an opportunity to buy an Armani-designed furniture package inside the unit. So it's not just furniture, flooring, walls.
What does that cost for a whole Armani-designed unit?
A typical unit will probably cost between $1.5 million to $2 million as an upgrade for the finishes. But buyers are going for it. They love it.